Hi everybody. Today we're going to do an experiment with teeth. And eggshells are kind of like teeth. So we're going to see what happens when you don't brush your teeth for one day. Let's see. Let's find out. You'll need soda, milk, and cups and eggs. So you'll need 2 cups and 2 eggs. And first things first. You pour the soda in 1 cup.
Oh, it's bubbling.
And then you put the milk in another cup. Then you put in this egg, and then we're going to put in that egg. Now, we wait for 1 day for this science experiment, and then once it's ready, it will...
So this one's mine and this one is mine.
It'll look just like that. And then this one is like rotten teeth, right? Now let's see if I could, let's see if I can peel this off. And then, what if I crack it? Okay. At the inside, it'll look like this. Ugh, pretty gross. Ugh.
Whoa, that looks like...
Look at the yolk. I'll show you in a second. Look at all the yolk.
Whoa, it's getting between me.
And that's how the eggshell looks. Let's not have that. Now, for the milk one, it looks a bit white. Or let's see what's the inside. In the inside, it's like perfect, fresh.
Whoa, it's getting between me again.
And that's how our experiment. Let's see who could crack. For this one and this one. Oh! I hope you guys enjoy this experiment. Bye! And look, Olivia says bye.